Hi friends, I am Sai Chintan and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Realme X1 Max versus OnePlus Nord 2 device. So during this process, I'll try to use 15 applications only. As you can see friends, only basic 15 applications I'm going to use in this kind of demonstration. Let's see which phone will be able to load them faster and which phone has got what type of RAM management as well. So which phone has got like better UI in terms of the RAM management. That is what I'm going to exactly compare between both phones. So this is my first time comparing this both phones. Let's see which phone will be the clear winner in terms of the UI RAM management. And in case if you want me to do any other special comparison between both phones, let me know in the comment section below. So definitely I'll be able to compare these two phones as soon as possible for you all. So first check in the reboot test which phone will be able to restart faster. The OnePlus 8T. Yes, the OnePlus 8T has got the Snapdragon 865 chipset. That's fantastic. And whereas the Realme X1 Max has got the Dimensity 1200 chipset. And both phones I'm using are the 8GB RAM variants only. Yes, both phones are completely 8GB RAM variants. Let me try to first show you the Wi-Fi connection, what kind of Wi-Fi connectivity I'm trying to connect right now. As you can see, so both phones are connected to the 2.4 GHz. That's perfectly done. Excellent. As you can see friends clearly. And these are the 15 applications which are selected, and let's start with the first application, which is Google Chrome. Let's see Google Chrome, which phone can actually open faster. Not bad, both phones did open at same time. Next is the speed test application. So speed application, I think slightly the Realme X1 Max was a little bit kind of faster. So I'll try to keep these results in the background. So try to look at the navigation bar buttons. Don't get confused which phone is what phone. So this is the OnePlus 8T and this is the Realme X1 Max. I'm trying to show you even the backside because it's quite confusing. Both phones are having the similar kind of punch holes. That is the reason I'm trying to mention. So next application is the Flipkart. Not bad, both phones opened at the same time. And next is a touch sampling rate. This is the application which I thought of trying to compare both phones by keeping this in the background. This is a touch sampling rate application which we'll be testing. So Ghana. Not bad, the Realme X1 Max did open faster than the OnePlus 8T. So both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi connection. There's nothing much difference in terms of the Wi-Fi connection at all. The speed should not be also different. But so gallery, no issues. In terms of opening speeds, nothing much difference. And the calculator, no problem. And camera application, no problem. Next is Amazon Prime videos, no issues. Both are exactly at the same time. And Spotify, not problem. Yes. So these are the 15 applications. Just only applications I'm trying to select just to see. Not bad, the OnePlus 8T did. So in terms of the speed test, I did not observe much kind of difference between both phones opening this kind of 15 applications only. So I'll try to do the gaming test as well. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested for the gaming comparison. That will be really epic kind of comparison. So right now I did open the 15 applications completely in the background. As you can see, everything is completely open. Now let's see how many applications will be in the background in both phones. So this is going to be really interesting. And I'm trying to be a little bit kind of faster just to show you which phone acts what kind of manner in terms of the speed test. Not bad. So both phones are doing great in terms of the opening speeds as well. As you can see friends clearly, opening speeds, not much complaints at this moment. So 10 applications, nothing got reloaded in both phones. When this one is also there in the background memory. Flipkart as well, no issues. Play Store, something got loaded, but still it is there in the background memory. Still it is there. So speed test, no issues. And final application, which is the Chrome, also no problem. So for 15 applications, there is nothing much issues between both phones regarding the RAM management, and the speed test as well quite similar to each other. The Snapdragon 865 versus Dimensity 1200. So in case if you are having any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below friends. Definitely I'll be able to do those kind of videos as soon as possible on basis of your request. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.